Okay, so hello guys. I'm here with a new lesson to you guys. So today I'll teach you guys how to install Windows to your computer. So let's start with what's Windows and what's operating system. So Windows is a basic operating system. So operating system is a platform which makes you to work with a computer. So the platform which the user and the uh, user can be able to do any work within a computer is the uh, operating system. So if you need to play a game, you need to do a work within Excel, anything, or you need to surf through the internet or do anything, any sort of thing inside a computer. With the computer, you do need a operating system. So there are various types of operating systems like Linux, Ubuntu, Windows, iOS, and so on. So the most famous operating system nowadays, and in the past also, was Windows. So I'll teach you guys how to install this Windows. So practically, I cannot show you guys how to install Windows. So I'll be going with this PDF to teach you guys how it is done. So first of all, to install an operating system to your computer, you do need the setup of this Windows. So you can download the Windows setup through the internet, or you can buy Windows from a computer operating shop to a USB drive or a DVD compact disc. So either way, you can install this Windows to your computer. So you do need to follow these following steps. Now I'm going to tell you. So first of all, you do need to switch off your laptop or your current PC or anything, so any computer. So switch off it first, and then you do need to insert a bootable USB drive, memory card, or external drive, uh, the DVD, or any sort of thing which the Windows setup is containing. So you do need, assume that we are using a USB drive, USB flash drive. So insert that to your USB port, and then restart your machine. Just start your machine. So then when the boot menu comes, you do need to press the escape of F2 button or F8 button or delete button, which depends on your manufacturer according to your BIOS setups. So it will be displayed when you are starting the PC. I hope you are familiar with that. From in the down bottom of the screen, you will be seeing that options. So you do need to pick the key which has BIOS setup and press that quickly. So then you will be going to your BIOS setups like this. So you can see if I make it zoom. So some sort of like this a picture, there'll be a window like this is called the BIOS setup. So you can't use your mouse in this setup. You can only use your keyboard to go up and down. You can use your arrow keys, you can use escape, ESC button, then enter button, and F9, F10, like that. You can use your keyboard. So you need to go to the boot menu, and you will be seeing some options in there. Like in this example, you can see renewable removable devices, hard drive, CD drive, network boot from Intel. So if you're using the USB drive, you need to select the removable device option. If you're using CD or DVD, something like that, you need to select that CD from drive option in here. So assume that I'm using an USB drive, so I'll be selecting this one. Then you need to save the settings and exit. So then when your laptop reboots, so like this, you need to save your configurations, save changes and exit now, select yes, and then your PC will restart again. Okay, so we will rebooting, and this window will apparently show in your screen. So in this window, you need to select the language to install and the time and currency format, and also the keyboard input method. Like there are several languages here you need to use. Is either US English, UK English, and several languages are there. So and then you need to use your time format and your keyboard input like US, UK, and etc. So you need to select whether what you need to like. So then select next and go to your next window, and some window like this one will appear there, and you need to click on this install now. But you need to click on that. So then you will be redirected to to a video like this, and they'll ask you for a activation key. So if you have an activation key, you need to type it in here by clicking this keyboard icon in this window. Then you will be able to type the product activation key. But if you don't have activation key, you can click on I don't have a product key, and then another window like this will appear, and you need to select custom install Windows Only Advanced to perform a clean installation. So you do need to think twice more than that, because all the data in your PC could be formatted. So you need to you need to come up with that. So you need to select this custom install Windows Only application, and then you will go to this window. So to install that operating system, which is Windows, you need a partition on your hard drive. What is a partition? Partition is like a piece. I mean, you have a hard drive in your computer. So this hard drive, assume that no, there are various types like 500 GB, 1 TB, and so on, 25 to 150 GB, like that. So the breaking down this hard disk into drivers is simply which is partitioning. So it can be two partitions, one partition, three partitions, more than that you can you can partition your hard disk. But the main thing is you need to select a hard drive partition to install your Windows. So then if you select a specific partition to install the Windows there, then it will be named as C drive, okay, the main drive. So uh, to use a existing partition, you can select it and simply press next. But if you need to add another partition or delete an existing one or format one or anything, you can select the relevant one. By clicking on this delete button, you can delete it. If you need to format it, you can use this format button, and so on. Then if you need to add one, you can add like this new. So select one and press next to continue installing your Windows there. So then in here, to create a new partitions, click drive options, now click new and choose the size of your new partition and click next. So you can decide whether which partition is which size and all. You can partition it as your own. So if you need three partitions, you can use three. If you need two, you can use two. If you need one, you can use one also. So use that, and you can give it a size also. You can choose a size also. So size being how many GBs and all. So then after that, if you when you click next, the Windows installation will begin. your computer may reboot a few times in this process. So like this, these steps are done like this: copying Windows files, then getting files ready, the installation phase, installing updates, and finishing up. Like this, there are statuses here. So it will install automatically, and after the installation is completed, your computer will automatically restart for a last time. So when it start up again, you will be able to set up more settings, okay, as you wish, or you can use the express settings which are recommended by the Microsoft company. Here you can use express settings which is recommended by the Microsoft company, or you can customize it as you customize your OS as you want for some features. So then if you need to simply continue use express settings. If you need to customize your Windows OS, you can customize it as you want. So then finally they will ask you to sign into your Microsoft account. If you have a Microsoft account, it will be very suitable to sign in with that account, or if you do not have, you can make a new account. Also you can skip this step also by following the instructions. And if you sign into your Microsoft account, there will be some great features with new Windows 10 and 11. You'll be having password recovery, and you'll be having access to OneDrive, and much more features will be there. So after that, then here it is your here is the window where you need to sign in. So if you need to sign in, you can sign in. If you don't need to sign in, you can use this skip this step button to skip this one. If you don't have account, you can create one using this hyperlink. And also then after that, after a few minutes, you will be redirected to your Windows desktop like this, and you will be able to continue working with your computer with this new OS. So if you need to install Windows, the basic thing is you need to have a the Windows setup. So I clearly mentioned you the setups, how to install Windows. I'm sorry, I can practically show you how to do this because my laptop is currently working nice, and I need to have a video camera in from my back. So like this one. So I hope you guys learned something from this. So thank you guys. So and see you soon.